Imagine holding a piece of history that is simultaneously light years ahead of its time. Imagine a camera that doesn't just take pictures. It feels, it reacts, it understands the fleeting essence of a moment better than any device currently on the market. For years, the FUJIFILM X-Pro series has been a cult favorite, a niche tool for those who prefer the tactile sensation of dials over the cold interface of menus. But what if I told you the rumors are true? What if I told you that the legendary X-Pro4 is finally here, and it is going to shatter everything you thought you knew about rangefinder-style cameras? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is not just an update. This is a complete reimagining of the philosophy of photography. We are talking about merging the timeless aesthetic of analog gear with the absolute raw power of the latest digital technology. Whether you are a dedicated street photographer prowling the concrete jungles of New York, a travel photographer capturing the soul of foreign cities, or a professional looking for a stealthy, high-performance companion, this camera was designed specifically for you. For too long, the X-Pro line was seen as a compromise, a trade-off between style and speed, between form and functionality. That compromise ends today. The FUJIFILM X-Pro4 is poised to take the throne as the ultimate hybrid camera, blending the speed of a modern powerhouse with the soul of a rangefinder. People will watch this video not just to learn about specs, but to understand why this camera is the forever camera they have been waiting for. Think about the sheer frustration of missing a shot because your camera was too slow to wake up, or because the autofocus decided to focus on the background instead of your subject. Those days are gone. The X-Pro4 is rumored to be housing the latest, ultra-fast image processor, coupled with a sensor that delivers staggering resolution without sacrificing high ISO performance. This means crisp, detailed images even in the darkest alleyways, even with the ISO cranked up to levels that would make other cameras produce nothing but digital noise. But let's talk about the real reason you're here, the experience. The X-Pro series is famous for its hybrid viewfinder, and the X-Pro4 takes this to a whole new level. Imagine seeing your scene with your own eyes, through a crisp optical viewfinder, while simultaneously having the option to overlay digital information or switch instantly to a high-resolution electronic viewfinder to see exactly how your exposure and film simulation will look. It's like having the best of both worlds in the palm of your hand, allowing you to stay completely connected to the scene without being distracted by technical details. And speaking of film simulations, Fujifilm is expanding this already iconic feature set. The X-Pro4 is expected to introduce new simulations that mimic classic film stocks with unmatched accuracy, giving your digital images that organic, artistic feel right out of the camera. No more endless hours editing in Lightroom. Imagine capturing a scene, applying a simulation that perfectly matches the mood, and having a final image ready to share instantly. This is about reclaiming the joy of shooting and focusing on the art, not the post-processing. Now, let's talk about build quality. The X-Pro4 is crafted to feel like a premium tool, not a consumer gadget. We're looking at a weather-sealed, magnesium alloy chassis that can withstand the rigors of professional use. It feels solid, durable, and balanced, encouraging you to bring it everywhere. It is stealthy, professional, and entirely unassuming, making it the perfect tool for candid street photography where being invisible is key to capturing genuine moments. And what about the screen? The rumors are intense regarding the rear LCD.